Changing the seals on the PM machine. To change an oil seal on a PM machine is an easy process, but you must have the necessary tools, replacement parts, and a work area that may be exposed to oil spills. Proper protection should be provided to avoid oil spills causing staining or damage to adjacent surfaces. Oil will spill out of the opening after removing the seal cover. If the seals being changed are at the top or front, the spill will be minimal. If at the bottom or back of the gearbox, the oil should be drained from the case. To do this, remove the oil drain plug and collect the oil. If the oil has a clear, debris-free appearance, it can be reused. If it appears milky or has bits of matter contained in it, discard of used oil legally and use new oil for refilling of the case. STI only recommends the use of Mobile Gear 600 XP 150. It is available in 1 or 5 gallon containers. With the machine in the safety off position, remove the tool plate and coupler assembly. Next, remove the drive plate using an 1 7/16" socket and a 2-arm gear puller to expose the seal cover. After the drive plate is removed, remove the woodruff key. Remove the seal cover. When removing the seal cover, there will be up to 3 shims attached to the back of the cover. These shims will be reused and must be kept together for reuse on the same cover. Label and store these so that during the installation process, the same shims are used on the same cover. Next, remove the seals and discard. Finally, clean the seal cover of dust and dirt to prepare for the new seals. To replace the seals, you must have 2 new seals, part number 473367V, and 1 seal change tool. The seal tool is compulsory for a proper installation of seals. If the seal tool is not used, it is likely that the new seals will not be properly installed and/or damaged, which may lead to the oil leak happening again. First, place the seals in the seal cover as displayed. Be sure that the first seal has the opening facing into the seal cover. On a firm surface, use a piece of metal and hammer to push the seal into place. Next, place the second seal in the cover facing the same direction, and using the piece of metal and hammer, tap it until it is flush with the seal cover surface. Next, place the seal tool through the center of the seals as displayed. After this, place the shims on the seal cover and place 1 bolt through one of the 4 holes to align the shims. Then place the open end of the seal tool squarely over the drive shaft of the machine. Finally, slide the seal cover onto the shaft and hand tighten the bolt. After this, place the remaining 3 bolts and tighten all 4 securely. After the seal cover is secured, install woodruff key and replace the drive plate. To complete the installation, reattach the tool plate and coupler assembly. After the seal change process has been completed, replace the oil drain plug. Next, tip the machine back into standard position and locate the oil inspection plug, located on top of the gearbox near the front of the machine. Using a measuring rod, inspect that the oil is 1.75 inches deep. All PM machines require an oil depth of 1.75 inches. If oil is to be added, use only approved oil Mobile Gear 600 XP 150. Finally, replace the oil plug and your PM machine is ready for immediate use.